guys, I'm sitting here with all my clothes, and I've obviously got my mom here with me, and this is literally my wardrobe. Honestly, because I create so much content, I have a lot of clothes. And also there was a time when I used to collaborate with Shein a lot, and I have like so many clothes from Shein, and half of which don't even fit me now because they are pretty old, like I think 3 years old or something like that. So I am going to literally clean out my entire closet. Like, this is going to be the biggest declutter and closet clean out of my entire life, I feel. But I'm not really vlogging it because there's just a lot that I need to get done, and you wouldn't really understand what I'm doing. So but I still wanted to show you guys the halat. And it's been 7 days that all of my clothes were literally on floor, and this is my living room, by the way. And oh my god, because I treat my bedroom as my studio as well, so I do not really have a lot of things there. We also got a shoe cupboard, so I have all my shoes there. And this is my living room. And I also wanted to get a couch which isn't here. So I cancelled it because it was taking forever to arrive. Now I have to book another one. And I also wanted to get a TV, which is also not here. So I don't think the house tour is also something that will take a lot of time. But anyway, this was just a little update as to what I'm up to. And this, I'm sure, is going to take me if I be at it, then I think I'll be able to like clean this out in like 2 days. But if I take breaks and this and that, this is easily going to take me 3 to 4 days. So yeah, I'm currently just doing that. Can you see those bags? Yeah, so those are the bags that I decluttered last year and last year, and they're still there because obviously during COVID I couldn't really do anything with those clothes, and now I'm decluttering more. Like, oh my god. Anyway, that's that. And I also have my mom with me, otherwise I think I would have gone crazy. So I will see you when I'll just show you guys as my mom is just throwing clothes away, like literally. Anyway, I will update you guys in a bit once we make some progress. Hey guys, good morning. So the other day I did not really vlog, but I did finish decluttering my closet. There are still a couple of things that I need to declutter. I also have to take out those bags, and I have these two bags right here. And this I just put all my, what do you say, like winter clothes in here because I obviously don't use them every single day, so that's why I kept all of it in the bag. And these are the two I think I'll be donating, and some of it I'll be giving away. So yeah, that's like a lot of, I have a feeling that I have decluttered way too much. I can't explain you this feeling, but how I feel is you know, when I was decluttering, I just looked at it like once, one glance, and I was like, okay, I don't like it, and I was just like putting it away. So I have a feeling that I might have decluttered a little too much, so I may go through these bags again and see if you know, these are the clothes that I really want to give away and donate. This is not a closet organization video or anything. I just thought of showing you guys, so I'm just going to show you guys how I've kept it. And yeah, I think it is much like way better than what it was. So I had all my winter clothes here, and there was this another like a ply here, so I just took that off, and I have put all my jeans here. So I have a lot of them, as you can tell. I'm like obsessed with jeans. And then I put all my you know, underwears and like things that I wear mostly during the shoot. Like these are like, you know, seamless underwears and all of that. And then I've just kept my belts here, and here I have all my dresses. So just my going out dresses, summer dresses. I don't wear a lot of dresses, so yeah, that's that. And here I have all my pants, and this is just the socks that I've kept here, and again some belts. But these are just like all the pants, and I know it looks a little messy, but I can tell. So you know, it's organized messy. Like I know what, like मुझे पता है कि कहाँ पे क्या है, and that's all that matters. Now this is my white top wala section where I have all my white tops, and thodi jagah thi, so I just put like some other tops. Now here I have my blazers. I still have couple of them that I need to hang in here, and these two pants I have to try it out, and if I don't fit in them I'm probably gonna give it away. And yeah, just this I'll probably put, as I said, I still have blazers to put there. It hasn't completed yet, but I still like the way it looks. Now this, I know it looks really messed up, but that's because it's almost like I think it's just going to die, but whatever. I just have my shirts here and some more shirts here, and this is just a random pile. Then I have a lot of dresses here which you can see. These are just like summery dresses, and here I have tops. Now here I have, like, this is what it looks like. So I have all these organizers that I got from Amazon, so I put all my tops in there, and that's the one that I got from IKEA. Again, here I have this organizer which also has like my skirts and stuff. So but these are just my tops, so these are literally my crop tops, things that I wear. See, tag bhi nahi nikala hai. Anyway, so this is what it looks like, and niche are my, aaj hi maine, like, I was looking for clothes, so thoda messed up ho gaya, but anyway, this is something that I wear ghar pe. So these are my satin pajamas. These are basically my pajamas, like I literally wear this ghar pe all the time. And this is a kaftan. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I know it looks a little messy, but I think it's like something that I can tell ki kahan pe kya hai. Shoe okay, now this is my shoe cabinet, but I have my bras here. I hope nobody opens this. Anyway, koi aake mera shoe rack to nahi kholega, and yahan pe I just have my shoes and everything. So that's that. I ordered a couple of things from Swiggy. I have never tried Swiggy before. Like I only order things from, I was gonna say Amazon. I only order things from Zomato, but I thought of trying Swiggy. So Swiggy has their Instamart thing, and I've never tried it, so I ordered a couple of groceries. And yeah, I just thought of showing you guys. It's not like my full-on grocery haul, but yeah, I just thought of just getting a few things, so I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. It's much easier. Now I got some ragi crackers. I actually got this because I have been like trying to eat healthy, and I thought this would be really good to munch on. Now this is also, you guys would be surprised, but I actually have been having ragi roti also, so that's pretty cool. Now I got some button mushrooms, and then this is multi grain loaf. So this has sesame, pumpkin, flax and sunflower seeds, and yeah, I'm really excited to eat this. And then I also got some plant-based yogurt. I got some normal yogurt. Now this has zero sugar, this also has zero sugar, and this I thought was really interesting. Now this is a plant-based what is it, yogurt, but it has jaggery, like coconut jaggery, so thought of giving it a try. I anyway have like coconut sugar. Now this is the coconut sugar that I usually have. It's pretty good. I like it over normal sugar. The one by them, this is almond chocolate fudge. I got another one. This is, wait, oh my god, yeah, cocoa cranberry fudge. And I obviously got a broccoli head, and I showed you guys I got banana bread. I thought this would be interesting and really nice, so I got it. I also got an avocado as I showed you, and I got some diced pineapple. So that's all that I got, and this is what it looks like. Super excited. This is basically like, you know, things that I eat usually since I work out. Yeah. Guys, I've come out after a really long time. I don't even know the last time that I was out. Come to this really nice place called as Silly, and when I reached here, that's when I realized that earlier यहाँ पे hockey cola होता था, and we used to hang out here a lot. You weren't there तभी, no? Do you remember after our unofficial farewell, all of us had come here after party, and you weren't. Yeah, so we're just here, and it's really nice. It's a very beautiful place, and I've just ordered, like, placed my order.